Hi friends, this is Abhijit. I am working in Showrocks Infotech Private Limited as a technical specialist. Today I will show how to disassemble IBM full height tape press. To remove 4 screws, 1, 2 and back side 3, 4. Okay. For these screws we have to use number 2 star bit. After that we have to remove 7 segment display. We have to remove these connections and pull out the 7 segment display. And remove this plate. So now we have to remove bottom plates by using number 1 bit. Here 2 screws removed. After that here also 2 screws will be there. And remove this plastic plate. So here so many connections will be there, and front side also top and bottom, here also top and bottom, and these connections are already removed, and remaining these connections we have to remove. So better to use tweezer to avoid damages. Side 2 connections will be there, here 1 and here 2. So you have to remove this cable also. And this is the read-write head. Here also 3 connections will be there for PCB. You have to remove these 3 screws by using hexa D8 bit. Remove this plate and this plate also. And remove the connections. So this is how to remove the PCB of IBM full height tape press. Thank you.